What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Next Wave Tech, the home of the future, the home of innovation, and the home where we break down the tech that the world hasn't even understood yet. Today's video is big. Meta has officially purchased Limitless, an AI wearable company building tech that can record your day, transcribe conversations, remember everything for you, and give you real-time AI assistance. This isn't just another acquisition, this is a signal, a shift, a move that could change phones, glasses, communication, privacy, and daily life forever. Strap in, because for the next 8 minutes, we're going to break this down professional style, with clarity for beginners and insights deep enough for AI veterans. So, let's start with the basics. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the Quest headsets, just bought Limitless, a startup focused on AI wearables and memory assistant technology. Limitless built a small wearable pendant that can listen to real-life conversations, transcribe them, summarize them, and store them in an AI memory system so you can ask it things like, what were the key points from my meeting Monday? What did John say about pricing? What did I tell my mom last week? Think of it like having a perfect memory, outsourced to AI. This acquisition tells us something loud and clear. Meta isn't just building apps anymore. Meta is building a real-world AI companion. Right now, AI exists mostly on screens. We type prompts into ChatGPT, we watch reels, we tap icons, but the future of AI isn't typing, the future is ambient AI, always available, always listening, always assisting, without needing to pull out a phone. Imagine this. You're wearing smart glasses, you look at a restaurant, and an AI overlay shows the rating, menu, busiest hours. You speak quietly, reserve a table for 7 p.m., and it's done. Or, you're at a meeting, your glasses are listening, summarizing in real time, creating action points automatically. You walk out already knowing the next steps without writing a single note. This isn't sci-fi, this is the path Meta just bought into. Let's talk future impact, the part that makes this video valuable. Phones could shrink, or even fade out. If your glasses plus AI wearable can take notes, answer questions, manage tasks, give directions, capture photos and video, summarize conversations. Do you still need to pull out a smartphone every 10 minutes? Maybe not. We're moving toward a world where the screen becomes optional, not central. Wearables become the new brain. Phones today are like a tool. AI wearables, they're like a second brain. They listen, learn patterns, anticipate needs. You won't search, it will suggest. You won't type, it will speak. You won't remember, it will recall for you. This is a fundamental shift in human-technology relationships. Imagine talking to someone who speaks Spanish, Mandarin, or French, and your glasses instantly translate everything right in front of your eyes. Vice versa. They hear you in their language. World without language barriers? We might be stepping into that era. Context-aware AI. Right now, when we ask AI questions, it doesn't know the situation around you unless you tell it. But with wearables, it sees what you see. It hears what you hear. It remembers what you forget. Ask, what's that building? It answers. Ask, who is this? Facial recognition could tell you. Ask, what was my last conversation with them about? AI recalls it instantly. Powerful? Absolutely. Terrifying? Potentially. We'll get to that soon. Let's break down real, everyday use cases. For students, no more scrambling to take notes. AI summarizes lectures instantly. For entrepreneurs, meetings get auto-documented with key bullet points. For content creators, wearable cameras could capture moments hands-free. For families, never forget appointments, birthdays, or conversations. For older adults, AI memory assistants could help with cognitive decline. This isn't just tech, it's life enhancement. Now we need to talk about the flip side, because if we don't, we're not doing our job. A device that always listens, a camera that always sees, a memory that never forgets, that raises major privacy questions. How do you record ethically in public? Will laws change? Do you need consent to capture conversations? Who owns the data? You, Meta, or both? This could spark the same controversy Glass did, multiplied by AI. The companies who solve privacy transparently could win. Those who ignore it could lose public trust fast. So, to wrap this up, Meta buying Limitless isn't just business. It's a warning shot to Apple, Google, Samsung, and Nvidia. Because the next wave of tech won't just sit in our pockets, it'll be on our faces, around our necks, maybe inside our bodies one day. We're stepping into a future where AI becomes a daily companion, not a tool, and phones might not be the center of the universe anymore. And here on Next Wave Tech, we're going to follow this wave day by day. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, drop a comment and let me know. Do you trust AI wearables? Would you wear AI glasses every day? Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of tech, not behind it, because here, we don't watch the future happen. We break it down before it arrives.